English reading time, and the passage for reading is entitled Nani's Glasses. Nani means grandmother, and glasses is another name for spectacles that are worn on the eyes so as to help one to see and read better. But before that, let us complete a few exercises. The first one is look and say. Children, these are the words that are going to be used in the passage. So you need to know the correct pronunciation. So repeat them after me. Glasses, bathroom, cupboard, usual, favorite, knitting, kitchen, garden, wrapped, dining, missing, clues, everywhere, quickly, yarn. Now moving on to our next exercise, read aloud the following words and their meanings. So we are going to see the word and learn the meaning of some of the words. The first one we have is knitting. Knitting means to make clothes of wool by using two needles. Here we have a picture showing us what is knitting. These are the two needles, and what you can see is a blue wool. That blue wool is known as yarn. With that, we come to our next word, yarn. That is thread or wool used for knitting. So this blue thread or wool is also known as yarn. Using the needle and thread, we knit some articles, some dresses or baby clothes, booties, that is the socks for babies, etc. The next word we have is wrapped. Wrapped means covered with some material. Whenever you cover something with something, that's called wrap. For example, when you buy a gift for a friend or anyone you want to gift, you purchase the gift and then you wrap it with a wrapping paper. The next word is clues. Clues are the information that helps one to solve or find something. So these are little hints given that helps you to complete an activity or to find the answer to what you are looking out for. Moving on to the next exercise, listen to the following pairs of words and repeat them. I had earlier told you children, pair means two. So we are going to see two words together. One word is in the present moment, the action is in the present time, and the same action which is already completed becomes past. So how is it read? We are going to see that. The first one we have is lose. Lose, sometimes you lose your pen, you lose your pencil. And when you have, it's in the past action, then you say lost. So lose, lost. Spend, spent. Children, you should repeat these words so that you get the correct pronunciation and the use of it. Find, found. Keep, kept. Say, said. Wrap, wrapped. Has, had. Now, before we start reading, let's listen to the story The topic is Nani's glasses. Now, here you can see this is Nani and her little grandson. Nani always forgets where she keeps her glasses and then she's not able to find them. She keeps her glasses anywhere and forgets where she has kept it. Then she keeps asking, where have I kept my glasses? Where have I kept my glasses? So her little grandson helps her out. He goes looking out for her glasses in all the places he thinks she must have kept it. Like, for example, he goes looking into the cupboard because she uses the cupboard to keep her things. So he opens the cupboard and he checks, is Nani's glasses there? So in this way, he keeps searching in the cupboard. Sometimes he goes and looks out for her glasses under the chair where she sits. But one such time, Nani lost a glass and she couldn't find it. She lost her glasses and she couldn't find it anywhere. So now what to do? So the little grandson asked Nani, you can't remember where you have kept them? So she says, no, I don't remember. Then he searches once again in the cupboard, under the chair, wherever she goes, he searched, but he couldn't find them. Then he got an idea. He asked his grandmother what she did the whole day. Then the grandmother said, she did nothing the whole day. She said, no, but something you must have done. So she says, yes, I just did some cooking in the kitchen. I did some garden work. And I spent some time reading and knitting. Listening to this, the little boy got some clues. So using those clues, he started searching once again. So he went first in the kitchen, he couldn't find them there. He went to the garden, he couldn't find it there as well. Then he checked the chair, the table, because these were the places Nani just gave him a clue about. Finally, on the table, he found the glasses wrapped in the knitting yarn, that is the wool which Nani was using to knit. He found the spectacles wrapped over there. See, you can see it in the yarn, the spectacles are wrapped. Now, children, let us just listen to some words. For example, we said he looked under the table. Under. He looked inside the cupboard. The word inside. Then on the table. These words, children, are position words. Now let us read the passage. Children, I want you to listen carefully and read after me. Nani's glasses. Listen, repeat, and read. Nani lost her glasses and she could not find them. Nani keeps losing her glasses. Where did I keep them? She always asks. So she needs me to be her eyes to find her own eyes. Now, by this sentence, the boy means to say that those spectacles are Nani's eyes, because only when she wears those spectacles or those glasses, Nani is able to see properly. So he says that those glasses are Nani's eyes, and Nani needs the little boy's eyes to find those glasses which she keeps here and there and she forgets. Sometimes her glasses are in the bathroom, sometimes on a bed, and sometimes on a head. I looked everywhere, in all the usual places, on her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, and on the bed. So, this little boy, wherever he thinks the spectacles, the glasses can be, the usual places, that is, every time where she leaves it, he went and he looked for it, but he could not find it. So, what were the usual places? They were on her head, the bathroom, inside the cupboard, and on the bed. I also looked under her favorite chair and on the dining table. No glasses, no luck. So he couldn't find the glasses anywhere. I asked her what she had done the whole day. She said, I did nothing much today. Some cooking in the kitchen and some work in the garden. Then I spent time in reading and knitting. Now I had many clues. So the little boy is saying, now I got many clues. I quickly looked around new places in the house. Aha! I found the missing glasses. The glasses were wrapped in the knitting yarn. So finally, he found the glasses wrapped in the knitting yarn. Children, you need to practice reading this passage. Now let's move on to the exercises that are given in the textbook. Answer the following questions. The first one we have is, what did Nani lose? I'm sure all of you know what Nani lost. Yes, Nani lost her spectacles. Sorry, Nani lost her glasses. I have to use the word that is used in the Balbharati book, not its meaning. So, Nani lost her glasses. The second one, where did the boy search for the glasses? I'm sure many of you know the answer. In fact, all of you know the answer. So, let's see whether we are right. The boy searched for the glasses in all the usual places, like on Nani's head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, on the bed, under Nani's favorite chair, and on the dining table. What did Nani do the whole day? Nani did some cooking in the kitchen, worked in the garden, and spent time reading and knitting. Where did the boy find the glasses? The boy found the glasses wrapped in the knitting yarn. Let's move on to the next exercise. Complete the following table. Now we have got one and many. You have already learned one means singular, that is one piece, one thing, and many means plural, that is more than one. Let's take the first table out here. You have got one chair, one table, one bed, one cupboard. These are all in the singular form. Now let's make the first one, that is chair, plural. Chair will become chairs. You add an S. Table, tables. Bed, beds. Cupboard, cupboards. So to make it more than one or to make them many, we added one S. Now let's take the next column. Here you have clue, garden, eye, and place. Let's take the first one in this, clue. Clues, garden, gardens, eye, eyes, place, places. So all that we have done is we have added S to make it plural or many. Our next exercise is match and join the words to form new words. Now you have got two columns, that's A and B. So A and B, you have to join them to form a new word, and the new word will come in the center where the title is written new words. Now the first word in column A is some. So let's see, you have got two options here. You got somewhere, sometimes, both. But we will use one of it here, sometimes. The next one is bath. And let's take it from the B column where you got where, times, board, side and room. Bath. Well, yes, it's bathroom. So you took bath from the column A and room from column B and made a new word, that is bathroom. Everywhere. Next, cup and board became cupboard. Inside. In and side. So the new words what we got joining two words are sometimes, bathroom, everywhere, cupboard and inside. Thank you children. You will complete all these exercises in your English book.